I drink a glass of water. I drink a glass of water. I eat eggs and bread. I eat eggs and bread. I clean the table. I clean the table. I say hello to my friend. I say hello to my friend. I sit on the chair. I sit on the chair.
I make my bed. I make my bed.
I write on the board. I write on the board.
I answer my phone.
I check my bag. I check my bag. I open the door.
I walk in the park.
I walk in the park.
I wash my face.
I wash my face. I buy some apples. I buy some apples.
I eat lunch at home. I eat lunch at home. I teach English today. I teach English today. I smile at the students. I write a new sentence. I write a new sentence. I open my notebook. I opened my notebook.
I look at the clock. I look at the clock. I drink cold water. I drink cold water.
I help an old woman.
I help an old woman. I wait for the bus.
I sit on the sofa. I sit on the sofa.